My name is TAMUMOSISIGOGO, JAJA. Well, as a Rivers person, is to express happiness over his return because it has been a terrible 6 months for Rivers people. Setback all round, setback in infrastructure, setback in projects, setback in terms of social delivery services to Rivers people. Those of you who live and do businesses here will attest to the fact that nothing was working. And one of those who believe that that 6 months would have taken Rivers State back to about what it took Rivers people and successive governments 20 years to achieve. I believe that upon his return, that he will hit the ground rolling. And I wish to express happiness to join Rivers people to express happiness for the return of democracy to Rivers State. I think that everything is according to the design of God. As a Christian, the Bible says in the book of Matthew chapter 5 verse 9 that blessed are the peacemakers, for they shall be called the sons of God. I feel that he didn't start this channel when he became governor. He is somebody I have known from his hometown. Incidentally, we come from the same community. We come from Opobo. This has been his nature. I think that he is a peaceful person. He seeks the development of others, and therefore he's a right gift for Rivers people. Since there are many projects he embarked upon before the emergency rule, he was opening up the Kalabari corridor for business. That's the Trans-Kalabari Road. That's a project that requires somebody with this kind of heart to embark upon. That project has been in the pipeline since Nigeria got independence. If you like, since 1960 or thereabout, no government has been able to embark on that project. He's decongesting the city. If you go around the state, you'll discover that before he left, the Port Harcourt Ring Road was already progressing encouragingly. But since he left, I'm sure that Julius Berger left the site. It is my expectation that that project cuts across several local government areas, about 7 or 8 local government areas. By the time he finishes that project, he will be opening up all these areas. It will take you a little drive time to get to wherever you're going, and Port Harcourt will be decongested. He was opening up or resuscitating the agricultural sector. He was talking about rehabilitating and possibly upgrading the Songhai farm and other farms we have in other LGAs. He has invested so much. He invested so much in the education sector, and annoyingly, between the period he left, Rivers State has slided. If you take a look at the release from NECO, performance chart of NECO, Rivers State has slided beyond 10. We're not even among the first 10 states in terms of performance in NECO chart today, as we speak today. I am sure that upon his return, he is going to do something about the education sector. And the WIEC has also introduced, or Federal Ministry of Education has introduced a new curriculum in our education system. WIEC has said that by next year, we are going to CBT examinations. That is to say that WIEC will be conducted the way adopting the JAMB approach. Everybody who will sit for WIEC will write that through computer. And therefore, these are some of the issues I know that the governor will address. More importantly, human capital development. He was at the verge of employing some civil servants and teachers in the state. He has opened up the health sector. He employs some doctors in the state. Knowing who the governor is, I think that these are the expectations of Rivers people. Now, we wish to say that because of his peaceful disposition, he will open up the state for business. I'm sure that Rivers State is ripe for business. All those who left this state within the 6 months of emergency rule, I expect that with his return, all these people will return. And when they return, the economy will thrive, and our children, our youths will also be employed. So these are the expectations of Rivers people. I will say that peace has returned. Certain utterances, certain steps that will not water the peaceful nature or the peace we have reached should be avoided by all supporters, not just, I will advise that both the executive and the legislature should put Rivers first. And that has been the mantra of His Excellency, the Governor of Rivers State. And therefore, when they buy into the visions of the governor and consider Rivers first, I'm sure that we will return to the ditches. I advise that we all consider the interests of Rivers people first before talking about what your desires and ambitions will be. My word will be that everybody should avoid inflammatory statements and, more importantly, give the needed and required support to the governor of Rivers State, because he has a vision for our people, and I am sure that by the special grace of God, that will be achieved as quickly as possible. He is in a hurry to deliver for Rivers people. Let them give him all the supports that is needed.